So in this lash video, I used 3 different tweezers to lash the inner corners. The first one, most important for inner corners, is this one right here. I actually got this on Amazon and it's shorter and it's perfect for getting over that brow bone, which you'll see in the videos. The next one I also got on Amazon. It's from Metalix, and these are all upside down. I'll flip them in a moment, but it's from Metalix, and you can see it's that short little 45-degree, nice, small, petite tweezer. The third, and maybe one of the most important, is this one from Discount Eyelashes. The brand, as you can see, is Alluring. Again, I'll flip these over. The brand is Alluring, but as you can see, this is a longer tweezer head than this one. This is amazing for isolation. I can't find this tweezer anymore. Alluring doesn't make it. Discount Eyelashes doesn't make it. I've reached out to them and none of them make it. So let me flip these over for you and show you them right side up. I try to avoid using tape if possible because oftentimes it's uncomfortable for the client to have that much tape on her skin, and it takes a lot of time to tape all of that area down. So I try to use the gel pads, and then if I have to supplement with tape, I will do that. As you can see, it's much faster to just use the gel pads as long as you don't get it too close to the waterline. In this clip, I wanted to show you how I used the tape to help me access those inner corners. After I detack the tape, I'll press the center of that tape right on the roundest part of the eyeball and use that as sort of like a leverage or a tension for pulling the inner corner out. When I have it in the position that I want it to stay in, then I press the outer edges down, securing it in place. This is a tighter shot of that angle so that you can see how those inner lashes just fan out after I place that tape in the position that I want it in. Because I had to make room for the camera equipment, it was a little more difficult than normal to do the inner corners, but I just wanted to show you how important it is to make sure that you isolate those little lashes on the inner corner, because sometimes the baby hairs on those inner corners are so small or thin or fine or new that you can't see them, and if you're not careful when you're isolating, you're going to attach to both a regular lash and a new baby lash, and sometimes that can be very painful. And this is just one last demonstration of how I use the tape, press it on the center of the eyeball, and gently pull out in order to fan out those inner corners to be able to access the inner lash.